What's up, everybody? It's PeaJay the Great. I hope you're having a super beautiful day, and I just wanted to drop a quick note that I have changed the name of the channel. It is now called ThePeaJayWay. I decided to change it because I'm going to be doing more discussions and topics around here that's outside of ADHD and OCD. That's still going to be the primary focus of the channel, but now I'm incorporating vitamin D deficiency and life tips in general. So if that interests you, please subscribe today. And if you subscribe to the ADHD Like a Boss channel, don't worry, nothing's changed. Only the name. The content will stay the same, and the content is going to be more consistent now because I'm going to start uploading every weekend. There's no excuse as to why I cannot, because I'm finally have some steadiness in my life right now, and I'm off on the weekends, so the content will be coming back. So short little message: ADHD Like a Boss is now the PeaJay Way. If you subscribe, stay subscribed. Same content. If you're new here, ADHD, OCD, vitamin D deficiency, weight loss, life in general, all that content is going to be here. So hit that subscribe button. All right, talk to you guys later.